While I was at work the other day, I decided that I would use plastic not meant to go on my laminator and try it in my laminator. Of course, this resulted in this big, balled up, gunky, melted piece of plastic being in my laminator. I let it cool since then, and I want to show you how I took this apart and I got it out. I took this little knob off. I flipped it over. I took these 3 small screws out. I took this screw on the opposite side out. I took off the back foam pieces and unscrewed that. And then what you're going to do is you're going to want to lay down this like this. Just press it down. And fold it up. And we're going to flip this over, and you'll be able to see, lift it up, and you'll be able to see there's 3 screws right here. So you're going to take those 3 screws out. So those 3, the 2 on the back foam pieces, you're going to remove the foams, take those out. The 3 on the side, which are small, the 1 on this side, and you'll be able to open this fully up. When I opened it up the first time, I was looking through this way, and I saw there was just a little bit of stuff on my roller, and I scraped it off. But as I opened up the bottom more, a big chunk fell out, and this is what was keeping it from working. I've since ran through the right plastic, and it worked like a charm. So if you have a jam or you do something dumb like I did, open it up and try to fix it. There's just a few screws, and after you screw them back in, it should work fine. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day.